Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. X, previously known as Twitter, has launched two premium subscription plans in India. The basic tier starts at Rs 244, while the Premium Plus tier offers an ad-free experience and an enhanced reply boost. Features in the basic plan include post editing, longer text, and video options. Premium Plus removes ads from feeds and offers larger reply boost. Elon Musk plans for X include monetization through live streaming, video, audio calls, and banking services. Both plans come with prioritized rankings, text formatting, longer videos, and early access to new features. Next, we have India Mobile Congress 2023 commenced in New Delhi with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's inauguration. PM Modi announced the development of 4 lakh 5G base stations in India, covering 97% of cities and 80% of the population within a year. The event awarded 100 5G use case lab to educational institutions to foster innovation across sectors. It introduced startup programs Aspire and RoboBlitz to promote entrepreneurship. The event emphasized India's efforts in bringing 6G technology to every individual. Tata Group is set to become the first Indian manufacturer of iPhones, with Wistron's board approving the sale of its India plant to Tata. Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar announced this development on X platform. The move aims to establish a global supply chain from India with Indian companies at its helm. This will enable Apple to produce iPhones for both domestic and global market. Meta Platforms has seen significant growth in advertisement revenue from click-to-message ads in India across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This is attributed to the rising popularity of business messaging across Meta's platforms, with over 600 million daily conversations between people and businesses. Meta has introduced new features to enhance WhatsApp as a business tool in India, driving adoption among various industries. Despite concerns about Meta's core and revenue in 2024, the India business has continued to grow steadily. For FY23, Meta reported a 13% increase in gross advertisement revenue to Rs 18,308 crore, with a 19% rise in net profit to Rs 352 crore. Reliance Jio showcased India's first satellite-based gigabit broadband service, JioSpace Fiber, at the India Mobile Congress. Jio aims to provide high-speed internet in previously unreachable areas using medium Earth orbit (MEO) satellite technology. The collaboration with SES enables gigabit fiber-like services using the latest satellite technology. JioSpace Fiber was successfully connected to remote locations in Gir, Gujarat, Korba, Chhattisgarh, Nabarangpur, Odisha, and ONGC, Jorhat, Assam. This service enhances the availability of Jio-True 5G in remote regions, offering access to digital government, education, health, and entertainment services. Next, we have Best Buy is offering a $100 discount on the Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme Gaming handheld. The higher-end AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme model, usually priced at $699.99, is now available for $599.99 for My Best Buy Plus members. An annual My Best Buy Plus membership costs $49.99, making the total cost of the deal $649.98. My Best Buy Plus member can also receive an extra $50 reward certificate for purchase of $500 or more. The ROG Ally Z1 Extreme is a powerful gaming handheld featuring a 7-inch 1080 pixel 120Hz display powered by an AMD Z1 Extreme CPU and running on Windows 11. At last, Apple has introduced the Action button in iOS 17.2, replacing the traditional mute switch on the iPhone 15 Pro series. The Action button allows users to assign specific tasks like content translation without opening separate app. Users can configure the button by navigating to settings, selecting the desired action, and swiping to the corresponding icon. The update streamlines the initial setup of new iPhone by wirelessly activating and updating devices while still in packaging. Apple Music also receives improvement, including automatic favorite playlist and a new sharing feature. The update enhances the user experience on iPhone 15 Pro series device with innovative features and simplified setup processes. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई, विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई, आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह। अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई, विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक?